So, I know I've been getting a lot of comments and stuff about the GC8 or just the Impreza in general. People have been wanting an update, they want to see more videos of it. Well, I'm not sure if you can see outside. We got all that snow going on over there. So, yeah, I can't really work on my car because it's covered in snow. Can't paint the other parts of the hard body because it's cold. Paint doesn't like to dry when it's cold. So I have to wait until the weather gets warmer or find a place where it's warm to paint. But yeah, so a while ago I made the decision on going with IWire to do my harness for the EJ205 engine into my 99 Impreza. So this is just going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm not sure if anyone else has done it. I've been too lazy to do the research and look it up on other people doing stuff on that, but it was a very reputable company. Went to an off-roading place, saw a guy with the same body as chassis as I did, and he did a H6 swap, which is the EJ series version, but in 3-liter. And he also recommended IWire. Apparently, he uses IWire for SEMA as well, but either way, just gonna give you kind of like an experience of what to expect when you open up a box from IWire when you're doing an EJ205 swap into a 99 Impreza 2.5 RS. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's see what we got here. I believe this is my actual ECU that has been tuned. Rear O2 sub harness. That's actually going to help a lot. Oh, they actually put a sticker on this thing. Okay, so I'm not sure if it was me that did the split here, but whatever, it doesn't matter to me. Let's see. Oh, they actually gave me some extra wire over here. I don't remember what that was for. They gave me extra wire for this. This might be for the radio, I don't know. Maybe. And it comes with a... I keep forgetting the name of this. Either way, super cool. I feel like they actually cleaned up some of the harness a bit for me. Like they actually cleaned it up. Alright, that was actually my doing. I was actually labeling things. So I guess they left that alone for me. Yeah. And they probably thought I was didn't know what I was doing and probably incorrectly labeled some of these things. This, I believe, goes to the transmission, to the harness to the transmission. Some other stuff. This goes to the starter, I believe. And then I believe this one goes under the dash. Alright. Some other stuff here. Wow, they actually did leave a lot of the stuff that I labeled on here. So you can see some of the electric tape and stuff like that. That's for the clutch. So this section probably just goes under the dash or into the dash. That's a timer for the doors to lock. Security system, even though I don't know where it is anymore. I'm gonna find it eventually. Fuse box. Some pretty good stuff here. Not sure if I showed this before, but they actually label what build you are. So IWire build 1569. Pretty cool, actually. So if any chance that I do sell the swap to somebody, they will know when the harness was done or whatever. People are curious about stuff. Oh, I got an envelope. Kenny, thank you for choosing IWire to help with your project. If you ever need anything, please ask the IWire crew. That's pretty cool. Let's see what they gave me. Okay, let's see. Whoa, stickers. Whoa. They actually gave me a lot of stickers. Holy shit. See? My build number stickers. A coupon. That's so awesome. Some IWire stickers. Big IWire stickers. That actually makes me really happy. So let's read what they say. Thank you for choosing IWire to help with your project. We hope you are happy enough with our service to represent us with a sticker or two on your car. Gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. When the car runs and it's registered on the road, that is. The build number stickers are designed for the engine bay fuse box, shift trim, or ECU plate. We love to see how our harness has added to your car, so if you take any photos, please tag us. For some tips and tricks, check out IWire's installation documents, which can be found at this link right here. If you have any questions during your install, please let us know. Please remember that your harness is covered by our lifetime warranty. We want to ensure that your modifications go successfully, so please contact us before making any wiring changes that may void this warranty. Feel free to keep up with what we're doing and new developments by following us on social media or checking out our website. If there are any products you need or ways we can help in the future, we're only an email or a call away. Thank you again for your purchase. Brian Keene, IWire owner. And those are the ways you can contact them, I guess. Next one. Wow, they're actually very courteous about this one. Warning. Make sure this grommet is oriented as shown below when installed in the car. The harness needs to go up first so that it stays away from the heat of the turbo. If it goes down, it can melt the wires. That's actually really cool that they actually sent that to me as well. So, we got all the wire, we got the harness done. Oh, actually, there's other stuff I didn't realize. I think this is a security box. That's pretty cool. They even left their phone number on there. Their email and website link. Did they leave it anywhere else? Yeah. That's really cool. But yeah, definitely worth the money in my opinion with the amount of service and the cool letter that they provided. Clean work, definitely recommend it. Great customer service. Also, yeah, I forgot to mention, I believe this is my engine harness. Yeah, I think this is the engine harness. I think those are the injector wires up there, whatever. But either way, I'd like to thank IWire for helping me out with this. The stuff that you wrote handwritten on the envelope, and then that letter, and then the warning sign, and that is also included. The stickers, labeling the stickers on parts of the harness and doing such a clean job on the harness and providing some other stuff too, like that. Really appreciate it. I'm glad I actually finally did it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope the guys at IWire are happy with this unboxing / semi-review. Thumbs up. And yeah, hope you guys have a good one. See you next time.